Welcome, in front of me is Apple Watch Ultra 3 and in this video I will show you how to pair it with your iPhone. First of all, make sure that your Apple Watch is turned on, and once you see this animation on your screen, you're gonna have to bring your iPhone closer to your Apple Watch and unlock it. Make sure that your iPhone has a stable internet connection because it's required for the pairing, since we're gonna have to install the update. Click continue once you see this pop up and then select start again if you have the same message as me, and then select whether you want to set this device for yourself or for someone else by selecting one of these two options on the screen. I'm gonna set it up for myself. So once you select one of these two options, scan your Apple Watch screen with your phone's camera and wait until you see this screen right here. Now you can choose whether to restore your Apple Watch's data from the backup or set it up as a new Apple Watch. Now I'm gonna select the second option. Now select the wrist on which you want to wear your Apple Watch. Hit the checkbox next to the option that's right for you, then click continue. And then wait for a while until your phone is connected with your Apple Watch. And once connection is finished, you're gonna see these terms and conditions. Read them here and agree to them to continue. Then you're gonna have to wait until you sign into your account. Now you're gonna have to enter the password or skip this step if you want to do it later. So give me a moment. I'm gonna enter my password by selecting enter password and then providing the password to my Apple account into this field. Okay, and after that, let me re-enter the password right now. So just click sign in and then wait until you are signed into your Apple account. Then you can create a passcode for your Apple Watch, but you don't have to do this right now. You can do this later in settings. So for now, I'm gonna select don't add a passcode. Now let's wait. Okay, and right now you can adjust the text size. If you want the text to be bolder, you can switch this toggle to the right, and to change the text size, just move the slider to the right to make it bigger or to the left to make it smaller. I'd prefer this text size, and then click continue, click OK. Now you can provide the fitness and health data like date of birth, your sex, your height, your weight, and if you are a person in a person who moves by a wheelchair, you can switch the toggle to the right. Okay, once you're done, just click continue. Then you can set up a sleep schedule, but of course you can also do this later in settings, so I'm gonna skip this step for now. Then you can toggle this switch to the right if you want to get notifications about your health. Then click continue. Then get to know with the info on this page and click continue once again. And then you can decide whether to turn on your Apple Watch's screen by a wrist flick or by a double tap if you switch this toggle to the right. So select the option that's right for you and click continue. Okay, so right now you can choose what the action button will do. The action button is located on the left edge of your Apple Watch. So either a workout, a stopwatch, a waypoint, anything from this list, or you can set it up later in settings, which I'm gonna do too by clicking right here, or you can select one of these options right here and select continue. Okay, so if you want to open the depth app automatically when you are submerged, then select this option, and if you don't want this program to start running automatically, select the second one. Click continue, and then wait for another while. And then click done, and at this point your Apple Watch is successfully paired and set up, and you can start using it from now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.